Welcome to the disassembly and cleaning instructions for the SF144 Gravity Soft Serve machine. This video will cover the following topics: emptying the machine, disassembly and cleaning, assembly and sanitizing, and machine startup. Emptying the machine. Remove the hopper covers and mix inlet regulators from the hoppers. Press the off, then the clean buttons. When the product in the barrels has melted, after about 5 minutes, open the spigots to drain. Press the clean buttons to stop the augers. Fill the hoppers with 2 gallons of cool tap water and press the clean buttons. While the augers are rotating, scrub the hoppers with a clean brush. Fill a tall cup with water and put the blender agitator into the cup. Press and hold the low speed button and allow the agitator to run for about 10 seconds. Turn the blender off. Drain the water from the machine and press the clean buttons to stop the augers. Press and hold the main power button for 3 seconds to turn the power off. Machine disassembly. Remove the knobs on the front door and remove the front door. Push the spigots through the bottom of the front door. Remove all O-rings from the parts. First, wipe off the lubricant. Then, squeeze the O-ring to form a loop and roll it out of the groove. Remove the front auger supports and bushings. Pull the augers out slowly and remove each plastic flight. Wipe the spline lubricant off the hex ends of the augers and remove the rear seal assemblies. Unscrew the springs from the auger flights. Remove the drip tray and grid. Remove the splash guard from the blender. Remove the agitator by turning it clockwise. Cleaning. Follow local and state regulations for cleaning and sanitizing. Mix sanitizer according to manufacturer's instructions. Use brushes, sponges, and washcloths to thoroughly clean all parts. Allow all parts to air dry after sanitizing. Wash the freezing cylinders using the large barrel brush. Be sure to clean the rear seal surfaces. Wash the blender shaft with a sponge or washcloth. In a clean bucket, prepare sanitizer according to manufacturer's instructions. Sanitize the freezing cylinders using a large barrel brush. Assembly. Install the rear seal O-rings. Lubricate the outside of the O-rings with a generous amount of petrogel. Lubricate the inside metal surface of the rear seals with petrogel and install them onto the augers. Do not lubricate the back or sides of the rear seal. Put a thin coat of spline lubricant onto the hex ends of the augers. Screw the springs into the studs on the auger flights. Install the flights onto the augers. Rotate the augers to engage the drive shafts. Lubricate the auger support bushings with petrogel. Install the supports and bushings onto the augers. Rotate the supports so that one leg points straight up. Install the O-rings onto the spigot bodies and spread a thin layer of petrogel onto the O-rings. Install the spigots into the front door. Install the large O-rings into the front door. Tighten the knobs in a crisscross pattern. Install the O-rings onto the mix inlet regulators. Thread the agitator onto the blender shaft and install the splash guard. Install the drip tray and grid. Sanitizing. Prepare Sterasheen sanitizer or equivalent according to manufacturer's instructions. Install the mix inlet regulators into the hoppers. Pour the sanitizing solution into the hoppers. Press the main power button to turn the power on. Press the clean buttons. Using a sanitized soft bristle brush dipped in sanitizing solution, clean the hopper sides, mix inlet regulator, and underside of the hopper cover. Fill a tall cup with sanitizing solution and completely immerse the blender shaft into the cup. After 5 minutes, open the spigots to completely drain the sanitizing solution. Press the clean buttons to stop the cleaning cycles. Machine startup. Fill each hopper with at least 2.5 gallons of mix. Open the spigots and drain a small amount of mix to remove any remaining sanitizer. Press the on-off buttons to run the cylinders. Press the push-to-freeze buttons. When the display shows serve, product is ready to dispense. Proper cleaning and sanitizing will help ensure optimum performance from your Stoelting machine. Please refer to the operator's manual for detailed instructions.